Stop scrolling if you want to supercharge your muscle growth. Welcome to Muscle Fuel Masterpiece. Let's dive right into what fuels champions, the top 10 foods to amp up your muscle gains. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting out, grilled chicken breast and salmon are packed with protein, perfect to repair and build muscle tissue. Don't overlook quinoa and sweet potatoes, full of carbs for sustained energy. Spinach and almonds, both nutrient-dense, provide essential vitamins and healthy fats. Greek yogurt and chickpeas are your go-to snacks, brimming with protein and fiber. And who could forget the creamy goodness of avocado? Your mission: integrate these powerhouse foods into your diet for mind-blowing results. Remember, what you fuel with defines your outcome. Swipe up for more tips and stay fueled, stay fit, and stay phenomenal.